I just want to thanks to my mom, Luz Balon Aceron, for her greetings. To my one and only son, Nigel Aceron, I love you na. Alam kong how much I love you. Alam mo yun. Sa sister ko, si Sister Michelle Aceron here in Kuwait. Thank you so much to you, to my sister, Mary Ann, Wilma, and May. To my brother, Wenceslao. Thank you so much, everyone. To my nephew and nieces, to my sister husband. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Maraming salamat po. Especially to Papa God. Kasi binigyan niya ako ng napakagandang araw. Unexpected yung mga kaligayahan ngayong araw. Thank you so much. Sa naging magandang araw ko po, Papa God. Hindi ko po ine-expect. Gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat sa iyo. Hindi po ako naghangad ng kung ano. Pero ibinigay mo sobra-sobra pa. Thank you so much po, and to all. I love you all, guys. Sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin. Mapa pages ko, mapa real account ko sa Facebook, mapa sa YouTube channel ko, guys, sa TikTok, Instagram, and especially to our Star Legend family. Thank you so much for all your support. I love you all, guys. Mabuhay tayong lahat all around the globe. Thank you po. I love you all.